You should be able to do strong, normal push-ups before you attempt any of these variations. To perform the explosive push-up, start in the push-up position. Level 1 is to lower yourself down and explode up with arms extended. Focus on catching yourself well and then repeating for repetitions. Level 2 is to explode, clap the hands together, and land strong in another push-up position. Continue for repetitions. Level 3 gets interesting because now we're clapping behind our back. Explode, clap behind the back, and then return the arms to the push-up position, catching yourself strong for the next repetition. And finally, the most athletic variation is the Superman explosion. Explode off the ground, arms and legs, catching yourself and preparing for the next repetition. Whichever variation you perform with good form for all repetitions. The explosive push-up is an amazingly athletic exercise. There are several variations that can challenge you from a beginner all the way up to an athlete. Let's get started.